好，我们来看一下 shrimp 这道题。首先呢，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话先通读一遍。Alright， 我们来看一下第一部分。Shrimp farmers， 注意这个 p， 不要读成了 shrimp farmers， 这个 p 呢非常的弱，甚至呢只做出口型，没有这个音。Shrimp farmers used to， 这个 d 非常的快 ，used to， 读快的时候呢，甚至这个 d 你听不到 ，used to 一个小小的拖音。我之前讲过 ，ed 的形式呢 ，native speaker 会有个小小的拖音 ，used to hold animals，hold 这个 d 也是不要读成 hold animals 是错的 ，hold animals 这个 d 非常弱，但口型要做到位。In nursery ponds for 30 to 60 days, 30 to 60 days. Now they're trying to 连在一起。Now they're trying to move them.不是 move them, okay? Move them into grow out pounds. Grow out pounds. Grow out 这个 t 呢，我基本上是只有口型，没有这个音，没有读成 grow out pounds， 是 grow out pounds in less than 30 days. 好，我们接着看第二部分。This reduces stress. This reduces stress on the animals. On the 这个 the 要快。On the animals 不是 on the animals OK 没有必要读得这么清楚 on the animals and 这个 d 注意 and dramatically 多音节词 dramatically 读得比较 native 的话呢是 dramatically increases survivals in the grow out pounds. This reduces stress on the animals and dramatically increases survivals in the grow out pounds. 其实呢不需要停顿，你要真的需要停顿的话呢，我们可以在 and 前面有小小的 tiny pause OK 但不要停得太久，这一句话本身不是很长，我们尽量少停。第三部分我们来看一下 many farms that abandon 注意这个 t 不是 many farms that 是错的 many farms that abandon that 这个 t 口型一定要做到位，音是很短的 that你要是没有这口型是 that abandoned 是错的 that abandoned 注意小小拖音 that abandoned nursery ponds have gone back to them 我没有读成 gone back to them 就像黑板 blackboard 这个 k 呢没有这个音，但口型是做到位的 gone back to them and the result 不是 and the result and the 口型做出来音给它 and the results have been surprisingly positive. They're 不是不要读成了 they are 这是一个单词 They're using the old OK 这个 d 看到这个 tiny pause 对不对？有个逗号对不对？这有个逗号，所以这两个 d 怎么样？要发出来 The old uncovered earthen 注意这音要结束，不是 earthen 是 earthen OK n 要结束 earthen nursery ponds我们来读一下 Many farms that abandoned nursery ponds have gone back to them, and the results have been surprisingly positive. They're using the old uncovered earthen nursery ponds. 我们把三部分连在一起读一下 Shrimp farmers used to hold animals in nursery ponds for 30 to 60 days. Now they're trying to move them into grow-up ponds in less than 30 days. This reduces stress on animals and dramatically increases survivals in the grow-up ponds. Many farms that abandoned nursery ponds have gone back to them, and the results have been surprisingly positive. They're using the old, uncovered earthen nursery ponds. All right, thank you guys.